Hi everyone, it has been a quite long time that I haven't posted any video on my channel. I was quite busy with my upcoming trip. Today I wanted to show you my new DJI Osmo 360 camera. I saw the footage and many videos that was taken by DJI Osmo 360 and I also wanted to have one. Now I bought DJI Osmo 360 from Virgin Mega Store and I paid 2,279 dirhams including the tax. 2,279 dirhams is about 633 US dollars. Let's check with me what's inside the box. Inside the box there are Osmo 360 cameras, protective pouch, extreme battery plus, battery case, adapter mount, invisible selfie stick, lens protector and USB cable. Okay, let's open them and see what's inside. This is a selfie stick. This is an Osmo 360 camera. This is a protective pouch. This is a battery case. And this is a lens camera. Let's check the battery case that is there any battery inside. There are the 3 batteries inside. This is the camera. This is the protective pouch. It's cute. And this is USB here. And this is the adapter mount.